Today I will be talking to you about this Ford Focus ST line that we have available. This car has a lot of very interesting features and some very nice design elements that we added on, including the ST line front bumper, which I have here, which is totally unique to the ST lines. You get some added benefits, including full LED headlights, parking sensors at the front and the rear of the vehicle. The ST line comes with 17-inch multi-spoke alloys, and as you can see back here, you get the painted brake calipers. Here we get a view of those full LED headlights, and this strip around here is your daytime running light. T-line kittens, including these side skirts, which add a sportier element to the vehicle. You also get this large colour matched rear wing. And boot capacity for the Ford Focus measures 270 litres. We do have a 40-60 rear split in the seats, which can improve the boot space of the vehicle if necessary. The Focus ST line comes with 3 engines, one being a 1 litre 98 brake horsepower. The next one being a 1 litre 125 horsepower hybrid, but it's a self-charging hybrid, so it doesn't need to be plugged in. And the last model is 165 brake horsepower, and it is the same electrical system where it doesn't have to be plugged in. Alright, starting onto the interior of the Ford, we will have a look at the brand new 13.2-inch Sync 4 system that's just added in to the new Focus. This is the main system to control everything in the car, where you can use Android Auto and Apple CarPlay in this vehicle. You can download apps and use this system to basically control them. You also get dual zone climate control and navigation built in to this screen. And it is placed very well, like it's just a bit below eye level, so you don't actually have to take your eyes away from the road too much to actually be able to see this screen, which in my personal opinion is the best place to put these. These screens are being put in a lot of new vehicles, and this placement is probably my favorite so far. The Ford Focus ST line also comes with a 6-speed manual gearbox. It has analog dash, clusters analog, which is nice. You also have built-in cruise control, automatic lights over here, automatic wipers on this side, and you also get a heated windscreen, heated rear windscreen, and heated wing mirrors. The last part of the Ford interior that I want to talk about is the seats. They're semi-sport seats that are black with red stitching, and sitting into them you get a real sense of comfort. They're a very nice seat. Ford did a very good job.